Seeing children dress up as zombies looks like fun at first, but more than their fancy costumes is a menacing reality that this could really happen to them if they're exposed to high amounts of lead, threatening their health.
Isang araw, bigla na lang akong nangihina. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko.
Nanghihina? Napapagod?
As the world celebrates the International Lead Poisoning Prevention Week, concerned groups hold a zombie run, urging paint companies to fully remove lead content in their products before the year ends. This is in compliance with the administrative order of the Environment Department in 2013.
By January 1, 2017 ay wala nang mga pintura na merong tingga na binibenta sa merkado.
A toxicologist says exposure to lead can lead to irreversible harm on children, from anemia to brain damage.
Since nagde-deposito sila sa utak, ang tendency, nagiging yung performance ng bata sa school, medyo hindi maganda.
But EcoWaste Coalition admits time is running out, as half of all paint products being sold in the market still contain lead, mostly from small enterprises.
Pintura dito? Pintura doon?
Concerned groups are hoping the government will sanction companies that fail to comply. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.